Hello everyone, this is Professor J. Kim. Today we're going to make the kind of really fun project using masking effect in Adobe Animate. It's a very simple process, but it is very fun. So just watch what we're going to do. The first one is this, hand. But once you play it, see, it is scanning the hand and it shows the bone structure. It's kind of funny. Okay. And also we're going to do another one like this. It's a luggage. Scanning the luggage. Let me play again. Okay, so that's it. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and hit the like button. Then let's get started. Okay, so please download these two files from the link I provided in my description. So one is the luggage.psd. It has the two layers. Let me show you my layers. So two layers. The top layer has the x-ray photo of this luggage, and then the bottom layer has just a luggage. And another one is the hand. Let me put this back. Top layer has an x-ray of this hand, and the bottom layer has just a regular photo. Okay, so now let's go to Adobe Animate. Please create a new file. 1280 by 720, I'm going to go with that. And 30 frame rate and HTML5 canvas. Create it. Okay, so just to make it fit to my window, double click your hand tool. Okay, now go to File, Import to Stage. Please download the hand.psd, this one. Open. And please make sure two layers are all checked. And then convert layers to animate layers, this option. And on right, check this first radio button, bitmap image with the editable layer styles. And then a compression, lossless. Okay, then import. Okay, as you can see, the good thing is it comes with a separate layers. And the bottom layer is empty, so we don't need it. Select the bottom layer just to delete it, dump it. Okay, so top layer, we have this x-ray photo. Let me hide. See? Okay, now select the top layer. We're going to add new layer on top. Let me make it a little bit smaller. Okay, and then on this top layer, please choose the rectangle tool and set your fill color to any color. I'm going to choose just red. And stroke color, no stroke color. And please draw one rectangle, maybe about this width, and a little bit taller than your image. And with your move tool, selection tool, move it to the left. Somewhere there. Okay. Now, we're going to make the kind of 4-second animation total. So select the 4-second mark, frame number 120 on top layer. Then insert the keyframe. Insert keyframe. Okay. Then hold down the control key. Click somewhere in the middle, anywhere. And create classic twin. Okay. Now move your time indicator to the 2-second mark, which is in the middle. And then insert another keyframe. So you have another keyframe here. Then on 2-second mark in the second keyframe, select your rectangle, move to the right. And let me play it. See what happens. Zing, zing, it comes back. Okay, now we just need to keep these two photos on the bottom from the 1 to 4-second mark. So select the 4-second mark on the second layer, hold down the shift key, and then click on the bottom layer as 120. Then insert either keyframe or frame. It really doesn't matter because we're not going to animate anything on the bottom layers. So just a frame. It's good. Then select the top layer, hold down the control, click, and mask. That's it. And play. See? Isn't it fun? Okay. Let me test it. Control, test movie in browser. See? It's pretty cool. Okay, so our first one is done. Let's do another one. Before we do that, let me show you how to save and how to export as an MP4 file. Go to File. Let me save it first. I'm going to save it as a hand. Hand.fla. Now, before we export as an MP4 file, please make sure your media encoder is open. Because this media encoder will convert your file to MP4 video file. It's a kind of a behind the curtain things. But make sure it's open. Then go to File, Export, Video and Media. I'm not going to change anything. Just make sure your format is H264. That's important. And then my output, my destination is my X-ray effect folder. And once I hit save and export, it will export my file as the hand.mp4 in my folder. I think it is done. It's pretty short, only 4 seconds. So let's see. See? Hand.mp4 file. So it is working. Okay. Looks nice. Now let's do another one. File, new. It's the same thing, but this time it's going to be vertical. Portrait orientation. 720 by 1280. And then 30 frame rate, HTML5 canvas. Created. Double click your hand tool so we can view the whole thing. Same way. Go to File, Import to Stage. This time, please import the luggage.psd. Same questions. Convert layers to animate layers. And then import options. Bitmap images, the top one. And then compression. We want to keep the better quality. And import. See? Same thing. Then delete the bottom layer because the bottom layer is empty. And I'm going to change my viewing size to 30%. Okay. Now select the top layer and add a new layer on the very top. Then choose your rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle, any color, doesn't matter. And then let me place it on very top out of the stage. Okay. Then we're going to repeat the same thing, but the only difference is that the first one was a side-by-side animation. This time is up and down. So select the 4-second mark, insert, keyframe, hold down the control key, click, create classic twin. See? And on 2-second mark, insert another keyframe. You see the black dot, that's a second keyframe. Then on that 2-second mark, move your red square rectangle to the bottom, out of stage. So this will happen. Just like that. Okay, looks nice. Then same way, I just need to keep this bottom 2 images up to 4-second mark. Select the 4-second mark, hold down the shift key and the bottom layers. And insert just a frame, because we're not going to animate anything. We're almost there. Then select the top layer, hold down the control and click mask. That's it. See? Isn't it cool? Let me test it. Control, test movie in browser. See? It's fun. Okay, so you may export this vertical format, the portrait orientation things to your Instagram posting. So on Instagram, it will be looping over and over. So let me go back. I'm gonna save it. Save as luggage. Oops. Luggage.fla. And go to File, export, video and media. Everything's the same. H264. And my destination is my X-ray folder, luggage. Save it. And make sure you check the bottom box, media encoder. Also make sure your media encoder is open. Okay. Then export it. I think we are done. So let me check my folder. You see that luggage.mp4? That's it. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed this video and you can use it for your future project. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.